This is Angel Childs. She was a part of an after-school program that expresses her emotions through spoken word and song. Now she is a member of their performance troupe. Fly by Light Youth Ambassador Program works with 6 public schools in the D.C. area to teach peace education.
It was really nice for us to connect and bond and also talk about real things about the world.
Students learn different ways to handle violence, such as expressing themselves through the arts. After-school sessions with facilitators allow them to discuss healthy conflict resolution.
What you can do with them, you know? If someone approaches you with violence, with something that hurts you, you don't have to hurt them back, you know? You don't have to hurt them.
I got to meet kids who grew up in some parts of town that I did, but I think the biggest connection was seeing them then and then also seeing them come back and now be a part of the performance troupe.
The performance troupe takes a select number of students within the program and allows them to showcase their talents throughout the DMV area.
I like the program. It helped me bring out my creative side, and I met a whole bunch of people. So, and I do things I like to hike now, and I've never thought about hiking before the program.
The Fly by Light program helps students gain real-world experience with conflicts. They find solutions to help them succeed. For Howard University News Service, this is Kiana Harris.